everybody, my name is Doug and today I'm going to be reviewing this mattress right here. This is the Chime Mattress by Ashley, sometimes called Ashley Furniture Store, sometimes called Ashley Home Furnishings. If you want the full name of the mattress as listed on Amazon.com, here it is. Ashley Furniture Signature Design 12-inch Chime Express Hybrid Innerspring Firm Mattress Bed in a Box Twin White. That's a mouthful. That's what it's called. Obviously, this one is a twin size. I have it on a queen bed frame because I usually don't review twin size mattresses, but I wanted to take a break from the norm and do that in this particular case. What did I think of the Chime Mattress by Ashley? It's a bed. It's the beddiest bed that ever did bed stuff. Hey, what's this? It's a bed. I love bed. Do you need bed? Look, a bed. It's fine. How is it? It's fine. I'm fine with it. It's fine. So I guess what I'm trying to say is it's kind of meh. It didn't really knock my socks off, but it's not that bad either. I mean, if I went over to my great uncle's house twice removed and he's like, here's your guest bed, and I slept on it, I'd be like, meh, that was okay. How'd you sleep last night? I was fine. You know, I'm not excited about it and I'm not opposed to it either. So this particular one, the twin size, costs around $180 as of the day I'm filming this in early September 2019. Of course, prices can and do change frequently. And I'll just take a quick look at the queen size. Queen size is $225 as of today. So not much of a difference there, only about $45 between the twin and the queen. So in hindsight, I kind of wished I'd just got the queen. A few other impressions that are noteworthy. First of all, it's by Ashley Home Furnishing. So you can actually go to an Ashley Home Furniture store and buy this in a box. Comes in a box, compressed, rolled up. Or you can get it on Amazon, which I did. You can also get it on Wayfair. You can get it shipped to you from the Ashley Home Furnishings website. I'll put links in the description box you can check out. The Ashley Home Furnishings link was actually slightly cheaper by like $7 than Amazon, but their shipping time was ridiculous. It was like, it will ship within 8 days, and then it takes 3 to 5 days to reach you. So it could be as much as 13 business days before you get it, whereas with Amazon it was 2 business days. So feel-wise, it's listed as firm. I would call it more of a medium firm. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most firm, I would put this high 6s, low 7s, like 6 3/4 to 7.5, somewhere in that range. This one is the 12-inch. They do make it in other sizes. I felt like anything less than 12 inches, looking at the composition, would have been pretty cheap, so I went with the 12-inch. It did expand to its full 12 inches. One thing I didn't love is that it seems like in the corners it slopes down just a little. I don't think that's an expansion. I probably think it's just designed that way. That's also a twin size thing. I probably, again, would have gone with the queen. I don't believe they make this in twin XL. But you can use the link in my description box, or I'll put one up here in the corner, one of the corners at least, and you can just toggle it to get any size you want on Amazon. So I slept on this for 5 nights, and I've said this in other videos, I don't grade on a curve, so I don't give you like bonus points for being cheap. Obviously this mattress is very inexpensive. You know, less than $200 for a twin, just over $200 for a queen. So if you're a college student or someone like that, I think for a very cheap mattress, you could do a lot worse. This is pretty good for $200, but you know, I slept on it for 5 nights. Could I have slept on it more, got to 10 nights? Yeah, sure I could have, but I knew I had a perfectly nice Dream Cloud mattress downstairs that I could sleep on too. So after 5 nights, I just didn't really want to sleep on it anymore. So it was okay. When I say it wasn't great, it was kind of, you know, a little bit of shoulder pain, a little bit of back pain. Now, I have mild to moderate chronic back pain, so for me, that's pretty normal. If I sleep on anything but a really nice bed, that's probably going to come out. So this bed is fine. It'd be fine for a guest bed. If you're an established couple in your 30s and 40s looking to buy your, hey, this is our next 7-year bed, I would not buy this. I would buy something else. The construction seems nice, fairly good, you know, no complaints about that. When I lay on it on my back, you know, I feel my back sinking in an appropriate amount, maybe 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So there's decent support, not great. It's a little bouncier than I would prefer because I don't think they have enough of a comfort layer. It is a hybrid mattress, so some spring and then some comfort layer on top. If they could maybe minimize the springs a little and add like an extra inch of like a gel foam or something like that, I think that would take away some of that bounciness. When I lay on my side, I don't sink in quite as much as I would like. It's not super firm, but it's also, it's not really cradling my pressure points. It's kind of, it's there. It's not bad. You know, if I had run a marathon, which I'll never do, and then was just looking for something to lay on, I would be fine with it. I wouldn't be picky, but it's not something I want for sleeping every single night. I'll give you the bounce test here with a bowling ball. This ball weighs somewhere between 12 and 16 pounds. Just dropping it from a couple different heights. You'll see, yeah, it is pretty bouncy. So if you sleep with a partner, a sleeping buddy, this is probably going to bounce a lot. Like if you sleep with a large dog or something that comes to bed late or gets up a lot, you're not going to like this very much because I have a feeling he or she will bounce all over the place. Using the sledgehammer of discernment here, you can see, again, a fair degree of bounce, and I don't have the books out, but there would be a moderate to substantial degree of motion transfer. When I sit on the edge, kind of a moderate edge position, I'm sinking in quite a lot, although I'm moderately well supported. If I go more extremely to the edge, now I'm sinking quite a lot and feel like I'm sliding off. So the edge support is okay, but not tremendous. And I think that sums up the mattress as a whole. It's okay, but not tremendous. Again, I wouldn't have any qualms about buying this mattress for a child or a teenager heading off to college, or if you're a broke 20-something and you just need something to sleep on. Again, for the sub $300 mattress category, you could definitely do a lot worse than this. But if you're willing to spend a little more, you can do better. If you're looking in the $450 range-ish, maybe up to $500, take a look at one of the Lucid latex hybrid mattresses. I'll put that on one of my end screens or a card in the corner as a pretty good alternative that I like quite a lot better. That's actually the mattress that's leaning against the wall. That's the Lucid 12-inch latex hybrid, which I really enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. In fact, you have to subscribe to my channel. You're contractually obligated to, now that you've watched this far into the video, so sorry. And then click the like button. You're contractually obligated to do that as well. Okay, I'm just kidding about those last two parts. Here's some other videos I've made that you should totally check out. You should watch every single video in my playlist. And please put a comment down below telling me if you've tried this mattress, or if you have a specific question. I will try my best to answer those personally. Good day, mate.